Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about scratches and to remove them on your Harley Davidson. Now, a lot of people just use polish. I've tried polish on scratches and it just doesn't quite work. You've got to go to the next level and start sanding it out. I know it sounds scary, but let's give it a go and see how we get on. So first of all, here's the scratches here. If you can see them all right. There they are there. One there and one just to the in here. So polish is not removing them, even buffing polish. The scratch is too deep, it's gone down into the clear coat, so we're going to have to sand them out. Now what we need for the job is brought to you by Maguire's polishing compound, and then just polish, some soapy water. Of course we start off with 2000 grit sandpaper, and then we move on to 3000. Of course we'll need an electric buffer, an applicator to put the compounding polish on, and then a clean one to buff it off, and then to use the polish as well. Now we start off with the 2000, which gets it down nice and smooth, and then the 3000 takes out the little scratches that the 2000 paper has made. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's have a look at doing this scratch. You can clearly, oops, where is it? You can clearly see it there. You can feel it with your fingernail. Now the problem is when you can feel it, a scratch with your fingernail, it's gone into the clear. No polish is going to take that out. It needs to be sanded. Let's just move this around a bit so it's not in the picture. Okay, again, start with our 2000 grit sandpaper. Working away with it. Drying it off quite regularly just to check on the progress. I still feel a little bit with my fingernail. A little bit more. It's gone all grey and horrible. You think, oh no, I've wrecked the paint, but you haven't. Yeah, I can still see it. Working away there quietly. Gone. Cannot see it anymore. Right, now the scratch is gone. We can go over it now with 3000 grit paper to get rid of the little marks that the 2000 made. It just finds those scratches out. Now using water is really important as it washes away the stuff coming off with the sandpaper. I don't know if you can see it or not, but of course the water's clear, but it's a grey colour as it's going away as you're sanding. Here we are, just left with a grey mess. Right, time to polish. Right, good dabble of polishing compound. Doesn't take long at all. It really doesn't. With a good machine. Good fibre cloth. Oh my God. It still amazes me. mean, what scratch? Absolutely nothing. Gone. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's incredible how scary it is when you start and you're sanding it. I'm going to polish this in a minute just to give it a bit more shine. But using the right paper, 2000 grit to start, 3000 to finish, and polishing compound, it just polishes it right back. Okay, with that done, the polishing compound all done and cleaned up, time to give it a polish, give it an extra shine. So we're going to use the Ultimate Polish, McGewer's as well. Thanks McGewer's for helping out there. So, oops. Same thing, just dab it on. Might as well do the whole. Do the whole fender while we're here. Right, let's get buffing. Okay, let's get the microfiber cloth out, give it a wipe down. Wow. The final step in the whole process. A good buffing polish. I mean, that's so shiny you could shave in it. Absolutely fantastic. Hey, thanks again for watching Kiwi Grand Tours and this little video on how to clean up scratches. Jeez, it looks good. It's so simple. Don't be scared. Give it a go. As you can see, the result is amazing. Alright, thanks for watching Kiwi Grand Tours and talk soon.